Hello, Alethea here. Welcome back for another deep dive with Vogue pattern. Very easy pattern. A jacket, 8146, cracking the whips with the advent calendar 2025 and opening the door at the end of the video to see what ornament we can put on our tree. So we're starting here today with this sleeves, and it said to stay stitched the arms around the edges of the armholes of the sleeve, and then we're going to stitch front to back sleeve together at the shoulder and over the arm. Then we're going to attach it to the front and back portions of the jacket. So let's do that. And so yesterday I showed you the back where we made that pleat. So I don't know if you can see it, but this is the back pleat. So I went ahead and hand basted it across the top. So this is the front and back of one sleeve. The direction is calling for us to stay stitch the armhole of the front and back sleeve. And then we're going to sew it front and back together. Okay, here's the jackets. I did the sleeves the way that they said do it. To serge, not serge, but stay stitch around the armholes. I got clips here because this is where I'm going to stop. I pressed. I connected these sleeves to the front and the back of the jacket. Back is looking like that. Here's your pleat. And let's take a look at the inside. I serged everything in there. All of your, the armhole, the sleeve seam. And pressed it. So this is a seam here that goes down the center of the arm, and then it comes down, as you can see where the clips are, and just sew completely down. Now we did 5, 6, 7, and we're gonna start again with the collar and side seam, and then we have the finish section. Oh, that's the finishing section. I get ready to say, where is the buttonhole? So then we move to the little bow on the back. Working with the hem and the self-facing. And your sleeve hem and then the buttonholes. And that will complete the project. So now it's time, you know for what? Our advent calendar. So let's see what's in behind the door for us to add to our little tree. Okay, it's time for the advent calendar. Let's see. This will be day 6. Deep diving into pattern number V8146. Racking the whip. What do we have? It's a needle. Looking like my needle. here. So let's put our string on it, and we're going to trim the tree with this ornament, a Christmas needle. Definitely a must-have. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you all. Happy Vlogmas. And consider, if you have not, to join the family. Subscribe. It's free. We'd love to have you. And where should we place it? There. I'll see you on day 7. If you have not watched 1 through 6, please go back and watch them all. I appreciate it. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. It's very important to get the videos going out there. It helps the growth of the channel. I appreciate you all. See you soon.